Wow, what are you eating, Teacher Mommy?
I just finished eating my cup noodles.
Oh, come, I'm hungry too.
Oh, I don't have any more.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm going to throw away. It's empty. I finished it.
Don't you dare.
Why not?
Do you know that we can recycle this? We can make something crafty. We can make art from this cup noodle. Do you want to make one? I'm sure you have cup noodle at home, right? Okay, I'm going to show you how to make art from this cup noodle.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you need? First you need cup and markers, that's all. But before that, make sure your cup is clean, okay? So I have the clean cup here. You can take any colors that you like. Pink. And you can start to draw with any patterns that you like. I'm going to make zigzag over here. And you can get another color. You can draw another shapes, or I like spiral. You can make pattern too, spiral and diamond shape, spiral and diamond, spiral and diamond. Keep going, spiral, diamond. You can choose your favorite colors. I'm going to choose purple this time. You can draw another lines, wavy. Or flowers maybe. So be creative. You can draw all the shapes and patterns that you like.
Flowers and leaves, flowers and leaves.
Ta-da! So basically, you just need to make it full with patterns and colors and make it colorful. And then later, you will have beautiful flower pot. Then later, you can put something inside. So you can be very creative beside patterns and colors, or you can make monsters. You can make bunny rabbit flower pot, or you can make robot flower pot here. You can cover it with aluminum foil. This one is for smaller paper cups, and decorate it with markers. So you can try it at home. Okay, so you only need newspapers and masking tape. But if you don't have masking tape at home, you can use sellotape and any kind of tape, okay? So how to make it? First, you can take one of newspaper and then you can crunch and make a ball shape like this. And then you can secure at the back with masking tape, like this. Or if you want to make the longer one, you can roll the newspaper and then secure it with masking tape. Now, only from these two shapes, the round one and the long one, you can create your own cactus. Then later, or maybe for the short one, here, you can fold it so you can have the shorter one and roll it. You can fold it again half and secure it with masking tape. And you can tilt it a bit like this here and then stick it together and secure it with masking tape, something like this. Make another one at the left and right side. Here, masking tape. You can put it higher or lower. And then I'm going to put it higher and then secure it with masking tape. Ta-da! Now you have one of the cactus. You can put it to the flower pot. You can try it at home. So after we have this beautiful cactus shape, we're ready to paint it. But if you don't have paint at home, don't worry. You can be creative. You can wrap it with green color paper, or you can leave it just like this. Now we're ready to paint it. Ta-da! The cactus is all green now. Now we're ready to put it to the flower pot. Okay, after you put it to the flower pot, we can put more newspaper around it here for the soil, like this, to make the cactus stand properly here. Now we also can color with brown color, like this. Ta-da! Now you're ready for your cactus pot. Now you can see the cactus is standing beautifully to the flower pot. This one is the long shaped cactus. That one is the round shaped cactus. And then you can be creative too. If you have leftover socks at home, if maybe there's a hole in it, or maybe it's too small for you, then you can use your leftover socks. You can fill it with newspaper or tissue paper and shape it into cactus too. So you can try it at home and be creative.
So we hope that you have enjoyed our ideas with using the cup and that you can make this at home. It's super easy, super fun. Okay, so send us your final product on Facebook, Instagram, Kids Gathering, Hong Kong. Don't forget to tag us, and we can't wait to see what kind of things you come up with things that you can find at home. Okay, bye.